They were two giants. I mean, this thing is just so sick. That is such a good fish. Let's go.
Go, Gracie.
Let's go. Just caught this lunker of a bass on this awesome 6 cents topwater swim bait. I mean, this thing is just so sick. That is such a good fish. Let's go.
Tilt him that way a little bit.
This is such a good fish. I'm so happy about this.
I caught this 3-pounder. I had 2 3-pounders on the same. I had 2 this big on this. I had one on one hook, one on the other. One of them came off, but I'm still happy. They were 2 giants. Such a good fish. Oh, is he good? Look at that mouth.
Piece of bass.